So how do you install LittleKey? You'll go to littlekey.io, download the version that you're looking for. It'll download a zip drive. And you will extract the zip drive. Then click the install.bat and run it. It's going to install Python first, if you don't have Python on your computer already. You will have to run the installer twice if you need to download Python. The terminal behind here needs to be able to refresh with Python installed. Just takes a couple minutes. And you run it a second time. It'll start at step 2 and continue on for the rest of the steps. It'll take a few minutes. This is downloading all of the Python packages locally onto your hard drive. While this is going, if you click on the LittleKey batch file, you can click see more options and click create shortcut, and you'll be able to edit this to be a shortcut to path wherever you have it saved. You'll be able to change the icon. You'll just have to click OK through that. You can pick whatever icon you want. Apply, OK, and you can drag this wherever you want. If you do move the LittleKey file folder, you will have to run this installer one more time to re-download all of these little side packages. It will keep all of your data though. You won't have to worry about losing any notes or anything that you have on your program. So Your installer might actually run faster because it's not removing the old virtual environment that I had. And when it's done, you can press any key. And you can either use the batch file from the program folder, or you can move your shortcut wherever you want. And that's it.